This is the new Honda Zero Alpha, and come 2027, this will be seen on our roads in India. It will be made in India, and we've spent some time with the car. We've also spoken to its designer and its chief engineer, and over that time we've realized that this is going to be a significant car, not just for Honda, but even for those looking for an electric car in the Creta electric plus the BEV XEV space. So what's this car all about? Well, that's what we're going to tell you in the course of this video, and 5 things that really will make a difference to your life if you're looking at an electric. So here they are. The Zero Alpha will replace the upcoming Elevate EV. Honda had earlier announced it will bring an EV version of its compact SUV, the Elevate, to take on the likes of the Creta EV and the MG Windsor. But with the introduction of a new platform and design language with the Zero Saloon and Zero SUV last year, the Elevate EV has been shelved in favor of Zero Alpha. And this is good news, which we will get to in a bit. The Alpha is a born electric platform, which means it most likely won't be plagued with compromises a typical ICE to EV conversion platforms have to deal with. Now, Honda has tried to keep the overall dimensions of the Zero Alpha similar to the Elevate, since it will address the same segment, but the Alpha sits on a longer wheelbase and a wider track. Add to it a flat floor and better space utilization typical of born electric cars, and the Alpha should be one of the more spacious SUVs in its class. There is still no confirmation regarding battery size or type, but Honda is clear they are focusing on ownership and running experience over outright range. The Alpha will not offer the most range on a single charge in its class. Moving to a completely new platform that's also targeted at mature markets like the US and Japan means the Alpha gives Honda India a golden opportunity to offer latest in design and tech to the Indian customer. Today, this is one area where Honda struggles, with its cars not feeling aspirational enough. But with the Alpha, a new, modern and refreshing interior along with the latest tech, there will be reason again to consider Honda more actively. Honda will make the Zero Alpha in India. This means higher localization and a more attractive price tag. This also shows Honda's commitment to the EV space in the country. The Made in India Alpha will also be exported to Japan, ensuring global levels of quality and build. Hopefully. What's more, Honda will also contribute towards developing fast charging infrastructure along with other OEMs, and additionally, Made in India will mean easy availability of spares and better integration of India-specific needs. Come 2027, and Honda India will launch the Alpha. But Alpha will only be the first salvo. The company is also working on newer models and powertrain options to join the current lineup of cars in India. Come 2027, we should see a newer hybrid powertrain with more to follow. So do let us know what you think about the Alpha. What do you think about its design? Is it polarizing? Would you consider it? And would you be looking forward to something like this from Honda, given that Honda has not really done exciting things in a really long time, but this one seems like it's going to change all of that. Thank you so much for watching.